the rain knocked this little fellow's nest and two of his nest mates off a window ledge, and the nest is sopping wet, so I can't put him back in there, and the parents aren't around, so his other two nestmates died, but this little guy is alive, and he might not make it, but I'm gonna at least give it a try. I fed him a little bit of wet dog food, and he's sleeping now, so you have to feed him about every 2 to 3 hours, and I'm gonna look up care of baby birds a little more. So yeah, hey little buddy. Yeah, I was just really glad that I was actually able to get him to eat something. And I don't know what type of bird this is. And I called him a little fellow, but it might be a girl, I don't know. Years ago, when I was a kid, we found a catbird baby, and we named him Donald, and we were actually able to raise him, but he was a little bit more developed than this. So I don't know if he'll make it, but I'm gonna give it a try. So